Milo. Milo. Are you going to tell anything to anybody? Milo. Kitty, kitty, kitty. What is it, boy? What is it? So, I'm taking my husband a Pepsi with real sugar out to him. I wanted to show you guys, too. He's way up there by Diamond. What he did for the... You gotta move, boy, so I don't step on you. What he did for the dogs. He shoveled their whole pen out so they wouldn't have to be trampling through the snow. He's such a good man. I totally appreciate everything my husband does, and he is the backbone of our farm, everybody. I know when everybody watches our videos, it's me who does the videoing because, yep, I'm the one that's here all the time. But my husband, he's the one who is the backbone of our life here. He's the one that does all the hard work. He is just a wonderful man. And I don't necessarily say this enough on videos, but I greatly appreciate him and love everything he does for us. And as you can see, goats are still waiting patiently, but my husband's trying to get everything, you know, pushed out around from the snow so we can, or I should say he can, give everybody the hay. But he's done a really nice path for us to walk through. He's been out here for almost 2 hours doing this. It's almost 400 feet from our front porch to Diamond.
You hear something?
What?
Oh, I thought I heard somebody's voice.
You might have heard me talking, my love.
No, it wasn't your voice.
Oh. You've done a really nice job. There's a lot of snow here.
There's only, it looks like a lot of snow on top of the other snow where it wasn't beat down like it looked.
Yeah.
Like the driveway is not nowhere as bad as it looks.
Diamond, what do you think, girl? She says, I'm waiting patiently.
I'm trying to.
Everybody is. I can't believe how everybody's not yelling and stuff.
Jack yelled at me.
Well, I've been hearing him.
Then he walked over in our forge.
Yeah, I mean, but everybody is doing pretty good. They're being patient. I mean, all the girls have dug through the snow and they're eating what they could find. Same with Samson and Odessa. The boys are doing the same.
They weren't at first, but I'm taking longer and they want something.
Yeah, right. I appreciate it, my love. All the work you do. I'm very thankful for you. I figured you might be thirsty.
You missed the cloud show.
Yeah?
That one couple clouds went right where the sun's at.
Yeah.
And it was like a pink
Color?
Pink violet looking.
Oh, from the sun being through the rays? Yeah? Yeah, it's really bright up there.
Hold your hand out like this, you feel sun warm your hand.
Oh yeah, I know. I can feel it right now.
It's like hot. Like mine's right now, it's already heating up. It's already hot.
I see you don't have your face thingy on.
Yeah, I had to take it off. I was sweating.
Yeah. I see you still got
it off, and then my head was getting a little cold because my hair is wet.
From sweating.
I put it back on. Hurry up so I can get them some hay. But I wanted to do it all before I do it so everybody gets close at the same time, not freaking doing one and the rest are waiting more.
Right.
This way it's more even. everybody's gonna get almost at the same time. I'm gonna go as fast as I can go. Well, I'm telling everybody,
Well, you are only one man.
you gotta bear with me.
And as you can see, nobody's complaining. Everybody's being patient. Yeah, BFW Farms, I just watched their video. And they had a lot of strife from a video of one of their mama pigs kidding. And they didn't have a heat lamp or anything on the babies. But they're in Arkansas. So it's not like their winters are like ours. But they did get like freezing ice. So they put a heat lamp out there for her. And then they went over to, Refuge and, oh crud, I can't think of it's Jess and Maya's channel, to help them process one of their homegrown pigs they raised, yep, to help them. So they left their 2 teenagers at home sleeping, which they don't really get to do because, you know, they're full-time farmers. I told you they're the ones that got all them beef cows and stuff. Well, she put a heat lamp out there, and her daughter went out after they got up and whatnot to go do chores, and her daughter found that the mama pig had destroyed the area where they had the heating lamp and where the babies were supposed to keep warm at. And, and the cord melded and caught fire. But thankfully, the one bale of hay that they had in there had a bunch of mud on it from the pigs rooting in the watery part and splashing it up on there. Because the fire only started from the bottom, and when it got to the mud, it stopped and died out. Now, what do you think that was from, my love?
My love, we all get watched over all the time.
Well, that was from God.
Well, I know what I'm saying.
He saved their whole farm.
It happens every day.
Yep. That was a true blessing that just like didn't catch their whole barn on fire. And then that barn was attached to their main workshop, which is pretty close to their house where their kids were sleeping. I mean, it could have been all bad, but it turned out good. Could have been worse. Diamond, what are you yawning about? So I put Mr. Lancelot back in with the bucks because none of the smaller does come back into heat. So he's done his job there. And now everybody's trying to do their rank in command since he's new in here. My husband is still shoveling to try to make a walkway for them so they can get around to eat and not have to go through the snow and trample through it. He doesn't have to do this, but he said he wanted to do this. So I thought I would do another quick video and then end this video that I did and just show you guys the rankings in our herd. There's Mr. Sampson and his little bummed out knees still. Yes, boy. And Odessa. Everybody's waiting for hay. They've got their bale right there. That's second cutting alfalfa. We have no more first cutting grass left. So now we're down to second cutting alfalfa, which is fine. because the does will be milking soon, and that's what they'll have to get. So these are our doe. Everybody in here are pregnant and will kid in between March 1st and June 15th. Hi, Elsa. What you doing, pretty girl? What you doing, baby girl? What you doing? Hi, honey. Hi. What you doing, girl? My hands are freezing. I gotta go. So thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope to see you guys soon tomorrow. Stay safe, stay warm. I pray for everybody who's without electric and in these cold, chilled temperatures down west. Or out west, I should say, not down west. But we'll see everybody soon. God bless.